Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Thirsty palette. I have had this for a while and I've played with it a couple times. And I do already have like mascara and stuff on because I just filmed another video, but I didn't do like much on the eyes at all. So I just took the eyes off and then like re-primed my eyes. But I will add stuff to my face as I deem necessary once I get my eye look done. But yeah, if you want to see me do a tutorial using the Thirsty palette, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by going in with the shade Taste Buds on this Ellie Maya ER12 brush. Alright, so next I'm going to take this, I'm just going to take this Glamour Dolls blending brush. It's like a tapered brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Splash, which is the like minty color, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner. And then I'm going to drag it forward. I'm just going to build that color up. I'm going to go back into the shade Taste Buds and blend out this edge. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C4 and this Boga Cheese blending brush or concealer brush. And I'm going to cut my crease. And then I'm going to take that Glamour Dolls brush with just a little bit of splash and just tap the edge of the concealer to blend this. And then I'm going to take my finger and go into the shade, let's see, what shade do I want to go into? I think I'm going to go into the shade Lick. And then I'm going to go back in, take just a hair bit of splash and blend that edge. And I'm going to add just a little bit of Submerge, just the like true blue shade. And just add a little bit of that to the edge. And then I want to add a winged liner. Alright, and then I'm going to take this angled brush. I'm going to go back into that shade Submerge. I'm just going to add this along the lower lash line. And then out beside my wing. So now I'm going to do my other eye off camera and then I will be right back. Alright, so I finished the other eye. I went and added some more highlight because I felt like this look needed a more intense highlight. I did my brows and I added a lip. But yeah, this is the final look. I kind of feel like it's like it gives me like Egyptian feels. Like I feel like it's like very Egyptian-y, and that wasn't my intention, but here we are. So but yeah, that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.